Hey, what's going on, everybody? Good morning. Got some good news. I got approved for a Conex box. So it's going to go right here. So obviously I need to make some room for it. This is a sandbox that the previous owner of the house had installed there for his kids. My kids never wanted to use it. They're too old. So this is going to go bye-bye. I'm going to bring in some fill dirt. I'm going to make a nice little padded area for the Conex box to sit. It's a bit of a downhill slope here in my driveway, so I kind of have to build it up along these this little retaining wall that separates the grass from my driveway. So that's the plan for today. We're going to get this out of here. We're going to get some gravel and some dirt. We're going to bring it in, and that is going to be the beginning of this project. Good morning again, everybody. This is day 2 of the pad installation project for the Conex box machine shop. I apologize if there's some wind noise in the background. It's a clear, beautiful day right now, but we have a winter storm warning in effect, and we're going to be getting dumped on here tonight, Saturday night. So we got this pretty much done. We've got these solid oak stingers acting as a retaining wall. We got everything pretty much level. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's not going to be perfect. It doesn't really need to be perfect. It just needs to be close. Little side note, I had a couple of those little oak stingers left over. So my wife's been complaining about this hill, basically it leads up to the front sidewalk of our house, pretty much ever since we moved in here. So I decided to cut some stairs out of the side of the yard for her. So she hasn't seen this yet. I just want her to be surprised, so I'll let her walk out and find it. So we're pretty much done for now. I would like to thank my awesome kids, Everett and Camden, and my little girl Shaylin. Shay, say hi. Hi. For all of their hard work and help yesterday. Now, I really think there's just one more thing that we need to do to make this pretty much a done project and ready for the Conex box. I think it just really needs to be packed down. How do you guys think we ought to pack it down?
We ought to dance. Dance. Dance!
Well,